Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have the BOXYCHARM for March 2023 to unbox with you. This will likely be the last final unboxing month for me for BOXYCHARM. So I have a Boxy Luxe as well, so I will unbox that next, and I'll also post it on the channel next week. But again, I think this might be the last month I'm going to be unboxing this. So as a result of the announcement from Ipsy a couple weeks ago at this time, they will no longer be sending PR to me because BOXYCHARM has been changed and things like that, and I'm not on the Ipsy PR list, so this will likely be the last one. Sorry. That's just what it is. Also, just so you know, something's up with my Allure Beauty Box account. They recently installed like a Shopify like platform for their beauty box website thing, and for some reason my account just keeps getting messed up, and like right now I can't pay for my box. I put all my information in multiple times and it's all accurate, and they're telling me that is wrong. So I don't know, I might not be unboxing Allure anymore either. It's going to be a very different change in this channel, but this is sent to me in PR. My agreement with them, as always, is just to post over on my Instagram, so follow me over there at Eat, Stretch, Explore, and I post on my Instagram stories. So this video and like any of the other BOXYCHARM videos have just been me doing my hobby and giving my full and honest opinion, my first impression, etc. So anyway, let me just start opening this. I think it's about $30 per month now with the care and handling fee. You get 5 full-size items. I believe what I remember now is that with the change, it's going to kind of follow underneath like the Ipsy sort of model, where now you can choose 3 items. But definitely let me know below what you know about the changes. But yeah, anyway, let me just open this. So this is the base box. And it looks like they kind of like themed it. I don't know. They always have these like theme cards and they never really are fully themed. But I think it's Women's History Month this month. So now that I think about it, I think it was Black History Month last month. I don't think they did anything for that. But this is Planet Woman. So I have some opinions about this. I think it's kind of pandering, but anyway, I don't think that the themes actually matter either. So if you're interested, I have the code 2303001. It looks very packed. So the first thing in here is that there is a new card. So this is the information about the new changes from the Ipsy and BOXYCHARM Gorgeous Together New Dream Team. So I'm going to put this up here, pause the video if you want to read it. And then here is some info here. And then again, if you have a Glam Bag Plus, is that what it's called, with Ipsy, you can find more information about that on that QR code. So let me just get started with the first item in here. So the first item is from First Aid Beauty. So actually I'm kind of bummed about this because I just bought something like this. This is from First Aid Beauty. It's a 2-in-1 cleansing oil and makeup remover. It's an oil to foam 2-in-1 cleanser. Oh, okay. Oil and foam doesn't really work so well for me for taking off my makeup, but that's just an aside. I've never tried this product. 2-in-1 cleanser that melts makeup and cleanses in a single step, leaving skin supremely clean and makeup free with no oily residue. The sulfate-free hybrid formula starts as a gel oil texture that helps dissolve impurities, sunscreen, and makeup, including longwear and waterproof. And this is a $26 value, so it's basically paid for like the base value of this box. And I'm going to see if there's any more information on here. It's 150 mLs or 5.0 fluid ounces, safe for sensitive skin. It has kind of an interesting look in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like really bubbly in there. I haven't been shaking my box, so I don't know. Dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrances. Apply a generous amount to dry face with fingertips and gently massage, focusing on areas with heavier makeup application. Add water, continuing to massage to dissolve makeup and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. It looks that there's no added fragrance in here, and it is made in the US if you're interested. The ingredients are kind of hard to read because it's on the bottle, which is kind of rounded. But yeah, so that is the first item. I'm not mad about it. Definitely use that sort of product. I'm just very curious to know if it actually is going to remove my makeup. The next item is a face palette. So not my typically favorite product type to receive. This is from Ace Beauté. It's the Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. It has 4 shades that can be used to highlight, define, contour, and bronze. Each shade can be used as is or layered on top of each other to create a seamless custom look. And this is a $42 value. I'm not gonna hold it up right now because the packaging is very reflective. And then this is made in China if you're interested. Okay, so the packaging is also very shiny. This is what it looks like here. So again, this isn't my typically favorite type of product to receive just because it's not my cup of tea. Basically, it's just really hard for me to use. I don't know how to use cream products. And also, like, I don't really sculpt my face, if you can't tell. That's why I look like a thumb. So I'm probably going to donate this just because it's not worth it for me to save it and not get much use out of it. But it is a pretty high value item. The next item is from Dew of the Gods. And this is another one of those products that we keep getting in the BOXYCHARM, but I've never seen it like out in like the real world. But this is the Dew of the Gods Fuels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Face Scrub. So you got 2 cleansers in one box. It's kind of a bummer. I mean, I love cleansers, but it's like 2 cleansers in one box is a lot. Tiny delicate silica crystals bind to a rich oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears. It's tears, years and tears. With this Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub, formulated with fatty squalane to protect new skin while the old you... This is hard to read. Formulated with fatty squalane to protect new skin while the old you washes away. Designed to be applied dry, the tiny magnesium oxide crystals are like no other scrub you've ever experienced, and this is a $30 value. So, I mean, I've tried plenty of these types of products before, so I'm not sure if that's true. So it says, diamonds are cold, gold is overrated. Silk is just a fabric, don't pretend. Feel what's real, microdermabrasion crystals, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this is a dry exfoliant. So let me open the packaging. It has like a plastic wrap on the outside. Okay, so this is a dry scrub, as they mentioned. I'm not going to use it right now because I have a couple of other sort of similar products out right now open. So this one says avoid contact with eyes, use a circular motion. So it's pretty much like those peeling gels that I really like, that people say are like kind of chintzy and like fake. But I enjoy them because it's like, you know, it's fun. But yeah, so let's see. I can't even find where this is made. It is made in China, and it's good through August 23rd, 2025. So I mean, I will use it. I still think it's a little bit odd that we got 2 face cleansers in one box. I mean, they're different types, but still like 2 cleansers. So the next item is going to be another skincare. This is from Coalife. I think I've heard of this brand before. I think I've seen it at TJ Maxx, maybe. Maybe it was not TJ Maxx. Maybe it was Nordstrom Rack. But this is the Coalife Niacinamide Booster. Boost your current skincare regime with this booster serum. Add a few pumps into your current skincare to up-level your products or on its own. Niacinamide keeps your skin firm and healthy, treats hyperpigmentation, helps treat blemishes, protects against sun damage, and minimizes fine lines. They spelled it wrong. It's supposed to be fine lines and wrinkles, but it says file lines and wrinkles. Fine lines and wrinkles, juicy skin starts here, and this is a $35 value, and it's a new brand to Boxy. So it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So actually I kind of need this. I just opened a brand new hydrating serum this morning, and that was like the last one, and it was a sample size. But this one is an intense hydration boost, reduces signs of aging, restores, strengthens, and evens out the appearance of skin texture, knock out dry, irritated skin. So you can pat it, tap it, and smooth out. There is fragrance added in here and some other things. So I'm going to try to hold this up to you. And let's see, this is not easy to see where this one's made either. Where is this guy made? It's no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. I legitimately cannot figure out where this is made. Maybe I'm blind, but it says it's distribute. Oh, made in the USA. I am blind, sorry. I mean, I knew I was blind. And this is what it looks like. So I don't know if you can see this. It's like really milky in there. Like it looks like legitimately like you're pouring out watery milk. So I mean, I'm kind of interested in it. I would say that it's a little bit interesting that on the back it says that it's blemish control, and I don't see that anywhere else on any of the other packaging materials. But yeah, anyway, I am excited to use it, but it is a little bit more watery consistency than I like my serums to be. But that's just a personal preference. But I am interested to see if it'll help out because I am getting a lot of fine lines here. The final item in here is, I knew there was going to be something in here I've never heard of the brand, even though some of these brands I've only heard of in BOXYCHARM. This is the Belle and Argent, sorry. It's the tinted lip balm. It's a nourishing, lightly tinted balm that moisturizes lips all day and provides gentle color. Made with jojoba and sunflower oil, works for all skin types and comfortable enough for all day wear. It's an $18 value, and this is another new brand to Boxy. So this is made in China. It's at Hello Nude. It's the Beautily, Beautely LLC, doing business as Belle and Argent. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, it flew out. Okay, so this is like a very interesting packaging. It's like, I don't know, translucent purple. Okay, so this is what the shade is. It's actually pretty wearable, I would say. It's like kind of like an orangey pink. So I would actually use this. I just haven't heard of the brand. Okay, it is not a magnetic. It just kind of sits on here. So I would say this is not a great one for the purse, just because it'll flop around and the lid will fall off. Overall, this is not the highest value box that I've ever gotten from BOXYCHARM, but it's also like not the lowest box. So let me know below what you got in your box and what you had as a choice item. I can't even remember what the choice items were this month. I don't even know if I saw any spoilers for it, to be honest. I've been kind of it's been chaos here. So anyway, that is everything. Thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my Boxy Luxe box, stay tuned for that. It'll be on the channel next week, so follow along, comment, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. And also follow me over on Instagram at Eat, Stretch, Explore. I have been traveling a lot, so I've been posting a lot more food and travel stuff over there. And I'm also working on trying to get all of my videos out for my vlogs. I'm concentrating a little bit more heavily on travel vlogs, just because those are more exciting than me like eating and working at home. So I'm trying to get those up for you, especially because the Alaska one, which I'm really excited for, it's finally a good Alaska season, so I'm going to try to get that out so it's a little bit more helpful for people who are going to be traveling on an Alaskan cruise. I went through Holland America, so if you're interested in that sort of content, stay tuned for that. And I also just recently got back from a Caribbean cruise, and I went on the Norwegian cruise line, so I'll try to get those up. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.